Hey y'all, it's your girl Lolo. Today I'm coming to you with a quick haul of some deco items that I got off of Amazon. I'm going to try to keep it quick. I got some stickers, foils, a couple little things of confetti, and a few art brushes. Let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you everything. Alright, I'm going to start off with these detailing brushes. They're all very tiny. They are very pretty. They have the little crystals in the bottom. And these are all very, very small. Don't lose that. As you can see, very small, thin. They're all about the same thinness, thickness. They just vary in length. Right, so we have the pink one, dark blue. This one is a longer one. And hopefully these will help me tighten up my line work. We have a light blue one. Looks like that one's pretty short. Yeah, it's pretty short. And then the last one is yellow. They don't have the actual size on the brush, so unfortunately I can't really tell you exactly what the millimeter is, but I want to say it's probably like 0. And they are very flexible. They're really nice. Hopefully these will last me for a very long time. I really do like these. They're real pretty. So we will be trying these out in the near future. All right, and these items all came together. I really got it for the leaves. The other stuff came with it, so you know I wasn't really looking for this, but this came with it. The one thing that it does have in here that I like are these snowflakes. And they all look green, but when you put them on, they should be like iridescent. Some small 4-pointed stars, mylar chips, half moon, snow, big hearts, circles and dots, stars. Those are big stars, those are small stars. These are like little rhinestones, hollow hearts. Actually, these are like 5-sided. This is the mylar, and then we have circles in that. And then this is what I actually got it for. These are all leaves. They are iridescent. You see they come in 12 colors. Blue. These are all like fall colors. Pink, orange, yellow. So I will definitely be using those in the near future. They also came with some little decals. Those look like Valentines. Some bows and hearts. And butterflies and flowers. And I will be leaving links for all of the items. Here we have some flame decals. There are quite a few colors. And we got like a opal white, like a light blue opal, like purple, like pink, lots of pink, orange and burgundy. See, I used these in the orange flame nails that I did. Then we have some gold, silver, some holographic silver, some yellows, and yet another blue. So there's quite a few different colors in the pack. And like I said, I will be leaving you links for all of these. I really like these because they are very thin. They're self-adhesive. So you can use these actually on a polished design, or you can encapsulate them. Right. And then the next thing I got is some silver holographic 4-point stars. They are 3 millimeters, I believe. There's quite a bit in here, so I will be giving at least half of this away. They are only one size, So I'll have to look around and find some smaller ones to make a mix. But they are good for, you know, just random designs. See, I have them on this finger. And yes, I do need to do my nails. That will be coming sometime next week because I have a wedding to go to. And I want to do them for the wedding. Here I have some mixed colors and sizes dots. Those are just like confettis. They're just in really tiny pots. Oh, I hate doing this. Because they're not in a tray, they're just in single pots. Yeah, they're just different colors. Some of them have come out of their jars. This is pink and white and yellow. But they're really cute, just little accent confettis. Green, yellow, and white. This is hot pink, purple, white, and black. And some yellow also. Got one in my hand. I'm wondering why some of these are falling out. This is pink, black, and orange. Yellow, green, white, and black. Over here a little bit more. Pink and orange and white and black. And this is pink and purple and black. All very cute, all very dripping out there. I like that. I have to put these in something. Blue, pink, yellow, and black, and they're all different sizes. This is like a nice teal and pink. They're holographic. We have blue, yellow, and white, and a couple black in there. And the last one is purple, pink, and orange. So there's what, 3, 6, 12 different pots. You see they're really small, but you only need a little bit of those. All right, and then I got this pack of flower foils. And I'll just pull out one so you can see exactly how long they are. This one in particular is rose, holographic roses. And these are pretty long. Pretty long, yeah. These are very long. That's folded in half. But I will show you. This has it's like carnations and butterflies. And all of these things I will be having a giveaway shortly, and I will be giving some of these items away because I just have too much, like way too much. These are really pretty flowers. They're on a clear foil, so you just put it over top. And it's very easy and very pretty. Yeah, I'm not going to pull all of these out because you can see these pretty well. And there's blue flowers, pink flowers. Those are the same, but just different colors. Some different color roses. Some purple flowers and roses. And then we have the Louis Vuitton, and that will definitely be getting used. Definitely. And then we have some cherry blossoms in there also. And then I got another set of flower foils. It's 4 packs with 10 different foil sheets in each. This one is a retro one, and these are colored actually, like they're like full coverage, or you can section off, you know, isolate. I like that purple one, but they each have 10. Now I have gone through these and separated some because I'm doing a couple of the girls' nails that are in the weddings, so they're not packaged the way they came anymore, because I like separated them for them. So yeah, it's not gonna be 10 in each pack, but it was 10 in each pack, so it's like 40 different colors. They're not really big, but I just wanted to try some different ones out to see. Lots of roses. This is like, those are my favorite ones, the roses. And then some different random flowers, but mostly roses in that pack. Oopsies. Got emails coming through. Still got those little things on my hand. Right. And these are also more roses and random flowers, but I really love the vintage roses. They're so pretty, and they will be used often. Oopsies. So there's some polka dots. This has also little blue flowers with it. Lots of roses, but that's exactly what I wanted, so I'm very happy with those, and I will be giving some of these away as well. And I have tested these, and they do come off very well. And this is the last pack. More roses. They're so pretty. This one has some butterflies as well. White flowers, some purple ones. This looks Hawaiian. That's mixed flowers. So yeah, that is everything that I got. I hope you like the items. Like I said, I will be doing a giveaway soon, and some of these items will be in that giveaway. And I will leave links for all of these products in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. If you know anyone that enjoys nail videos, please share them.